Good morning, everybody. Today we discuss about what the index number chapter. Here, index number, it is a statistical device designed to measure a group of related variables over a period of time. Here, time indicates not this time. Time indicates year-wise we have to calculate, or month-wise we have to calculate, or week-wise we have to calculate. What we have to calculate? What is the price of the commodity? Commodity means items, means vastugalu anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. What is the price of the commodity as compared with respect to the base year, with respect to the current year? Okay, base year with respect to the current year. This is what the index number. It means that what? Base year means 2006 is the base year, 2008 is the current year. Here, if you take the price of this pen, the price of this pen in the year 2006, it is 25 rupees. It should be increased to, in 2008, 35 rupees. It means that what? 10 rupees should be increases. This is what the price of the commodity changes from base year to current year. This calculation should be called, this is what the index number. So, index number, it is a statistical device designed to measure a group of related variables over a period of time is called what? The index number. This is definition. This is one example of what the index number. Next, afterwards, we discuss one basic definition like what do you mean by the price relative? What do you mean by price relative? Okay, the next definition. This price relative is usually denoted by letter P. Price relative is usually denoted by letter P. Price relative means this price relative can be calculated. The price index number should be calculated with respect to the current year divided by price relative with respect to the base year into 100. This is what the price relative. What I have to say that price relative is usually denoted by letter P. That is P01 equal to P1 by P0 into 100. Here 1 indicates, already we discussed, 1 indicates the current year, 0 indicates the base year. This price relative can be defined as, it should be expressed as the percentage of the price in the current year by the price in the base year. This is what the price relative. Okay, this is about what the definition of price relative. The next one is the types of index number. Types of index number. Okay, total we discussed 3 types. The first one is price index number. NO means index number, price index number. The second one is quantity index number. Quantity index number. And third one is the value index number. Value index number. These are the types of index number. That is 5 marks question. Define index number and explain its types. Okay. Total 3 types. What is first one? Price index number. Second one is quantity index number. Third one is value index number. This price index number is usually denoted by letter P. Quantity index number is usually denoted by letter Q, capital Q. And value index number is usually denoted by letter V, capital V. Okay. This is about what? The types of index number. Okay. One by one we have to discuss in detail. First we have to take price index number. What do you mean by price index number? Here this already in the definition we have to discuss. Here price index number are the index number. Price index number are the index number of calculating base year with respect to the current year. This is called what? The price index number. So already we have to take one example, that is the price of the pen in the year 2006, it is 25 rupees as compared with 2008. That is, this 2006 is the base year and 2008 is the current year. Here the price should be how much? It should be increases what? In the year 2005 it is 25 rupees. It should be in the year 2008 it is 35 rupees. That is 10 rupees it should be increases. This price can be calculated base year with respect to the current year. This is called what? The price index number. This price index number also divided into two parts. One is this price index number. Again, we divide it into two parts. First one is wholesale price index number. First one is wholesale price index number. The second one is the retail price index number. Retail price index number. Here, first, what do you mean by wholesale price index number? This wholesale price index number deals with what? Wholesale market, and this retail price index number deals with what? Retail market. It means that what? Here, this retailer will purchase the goods from what? Wholesaler. This is what? The types of price index number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಆಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಮೋಡಿಟಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎದ್ರ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಕಡೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್. Quantity index number. Second one is quantity. Quantity index number. This is second one. Okay. Here, quantity index number means how much quantity of goods are imported or exported or consumed during a period of time. This is called what? Quantity index number. It means that what? In the year, we have to take same example. In the year 2006. As compared with respect to the 2008, okay, there is a one company. How much quantity of goods should be imported or exported in the during the year 2006? For example, you have to take in the year 2006 the production of a factory, or you have to take company, that is import, okay, or another one is what? Export, okay. This is what. Here also in the year 2008, here also import and export. As compared with respect to what? Current year. This is what one example of what? Quantity index number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ quantity index number ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮದು ಮತ್ತು ರಫ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. Value index number already ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. This value index number are usually denoted by letter V. If you consider for base year, we have to take V0. If you consider for current year, we have to take V1. Okay, this value index number, it is the multiplication of value index number. It is the multiplication of price index number as well as quantity index number. It is the multiplication of price index number as well as quantity index number. If you take for base year, then V0 equal to, the formula becomes what? P0 into Q0. If you consider for current year, it becomes what? V1 equal to P1 into Q1. This formula can be calculated in case of when you solve some problems based on this value index number. On that case, you can understand this concept. Okay, this is about only we should know about what you mean by value index number. This value index number is the total value of the money transaction taking place, and also it is the multiplication of price and quantity index number. Okay, this is about what I want to discuss. We discuss first what you mean by index number, and also we discuss what you mean by price relative. Okay, and also we discuss about what the types of index numbers. Okay, total 3 types we have to discuss. Okay, and next uses of index number. Uses of index number. Here in this case, for a uses of index number, this index number can be used in government offices, like it can be used in government offices for formulating the policies, and also it can be used in grant in allowances. Okay, and this also used in businessmen as well as for in industries, and also this index number can be also used in the construction of cost of living index number. These are the some uses we have to discuss. Only statement, not explanation. Okay, only should remember this index number can be used in what government offices for formulating the policies, and it can also be used in comparing the variations in the purchasing the power of money. And third one is, it is also used in the consumer price index numbers, and it is also used in to fix the salary to the workers. Okay, this index number can be also used in some industries as well as some businessmen can be used this index numbers. Okay, this is about what the index number, that is uses of index.